Hello everyone, in this tutorial let's see a billing software that is an invoice software that will be helpful for your company. So this is Wings Accounting Lite version and we are going to start a new company invoice. Here by default it is given Wings Accounting Lite. We are going to modify this one for our company requirement. For example, ABC Garments. That is our company name, and the short name we can give as ABC, and the accounting period we can change that to. So I made the changes. Now you can see the module management. Here we are getting many options to enable and disable. You can change it accordingly. So these things, if you think required, then enable it, or if you think not required, just disable it. Okay, so I made the changes to module management. Whatever I felt is good for the company. So this is just a sample. You can modify for your requirement. So you can see the accounting period in the bottom. I have already given the download link for downloading this software. It is free. Now let's see how to manage the accounts. Here you will see the tree format of the accounts you are having in this Lite version, the balance sheet and all those things. If you are familiar with the accounting before, then these things you will understand. Otherwise you need to get a guidance from an accounting officer or someone who can help you with the accounts to familiar with this kind of trees. What are all these things meaning? So I am just showing the various accounts you are having in this Lite version. You can edit, add and delete the accounts at the same time. If you think you need to create an account, you have that facility for adding new account, and if you think it is not required, then you can have delete option. So here we are going to add an account. Here I am adding one account in the expense section, that is power expense. You can also change the position where it appears under expenses or any other account. So now we created an account of power expense. If we don't want that, we can just delete it. Otherwise just leave it. Now by deleting option, let's see how to delete it. By clicking that delete button you can delete, or Ctrl+D will do the job. Now let's see how to enter the products. So these are the products currently available with this Lite version. You can add new product, delete new product. All those functionalities are here. The same way you did in account section. You can add by clicking the add control new item. Here I given jeans and the shortcode JE, and these are the stock details and the pricing details and description and all those things. You can give this description, otherwise you can leave it blank. This is MRP, the purchase amount and the sales amount. So by giving more accurate details will provide you the profit and loss details of your company. Otherwise you can also leave these things blank if you just want to test. Now I'm just showing the basic things that you needed for to print a bill. Now I'm adding one more product, that is the short code SH. The short code is really helpful if you can't type the full name of the product you are selling. Just type the short code and press enter. It will automatically pop up with the price and details. Let's see how it is done. Now I am giving the product details and the sales and purchase price. So this is just a sample, just to show how it works. I'm going to save this one, and let's see the products in the listed tree. You can see the products listed under the traded goods. You can also copy paste, cut, delete, and all those functionalities are available. Now I deleted the product. You can also press Ctrl D to delete, or by pressing the button, delete button, the top right corner. You're also having a cut paste option. Now I cut, and we are going to paste it under traded goods. Just go paste it. So this way you can cut and paste. Also you can delete all those functionalities, which is pretty good in this software. This is very amazing and free. Most of the billing softwares are costing around 10,000 to 20,000 rupees in the market. So this software is free to create invoice for your company. Your company details can be available in the company properties. You can add more details about your company address and all those PIN numbers and all those things here, and the financial period and all those things you can add and save here. Now let's see some entries. This cash, bank, and all those entries are there. Here we are mainly concentrating on the billing section. That's why I am dealing with sales option. You can click on the sales and the sales entry pop up. So this is our sales entry, sales invoice. Now you just press enter and you will go down. This is account, cash account. If your purchaser is a creditor, you can select that as creditor 1, or you can give that creditor name, address, and all those things in the creditor entry section. Now we are just moving on to the invoice. So this is a sales account. Make the things as default. No need to change anything. Just press enter, continue press entering, and come to the product section. And now you are in the product section. Now we are entering our product JE, that is a short code for jeans. Now I press enter, and quantity, it's already pop up with price and MRP, that is the actual price and the selling price. Quantity, which is I given. Now the total came up. I am entering the second product SH, that is short code for shirt. It's already pop up with the pricing. Now we just need to enter the quantity, and the total came at the bottom. Now if we want to print out this invoice, we can click on the print button or Control P. It will automatically saved in the invoice number 1. So this is a voucher format. You can select any voucher to print. Voucher format is nothing but the way in which the bill will come. A roll print, if most of the companies are using roll print, that's matrix type of printer. So this is invoice we are getting as output. Garment's name on the top and the bill details are here. You can just scroll it down, so you will have an idea of how the bill will appear after taking printout. It's all very easy for you. If you just needed to print the bill, this one will be very suitable. If you want to know more details about the software, how to customize, you can go to the contact details. These guys will help you to customize the software for your requirement. What are all the things you need for your organization or company, they will arrange accordingly, and they can help you to solve your financial matters and all those things. Plenty of many options are here. I am not going to every options. So this, you can see the profit and loss details of your company. We just made an invoice, and you can see the lists. So I hope this video helped you to understand how to create an invoice using a free software, Wings Accounting Lite. If you have any comments, you can post it down. If you like this video, please like the button. Thank you.